Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.